Right now, a shopper is on your store, one question away from checkout. Do you have a laptop stand? What colors does it come in? If the answer takes hours instead of seconds, they're gone and the sale goes with them. Shoppers don't wait, and they shouldn't have to. Here's the fix with your GPT AI. Same store, same questions, only this time there's a chatbot in the corner. The shopper says, "I'm looking for a laptop stand." The agent searches the live catalog, and there it is, the Aerolift stand. What color options do we have? Silver or space gray. Okay, add the silver one to my cart. It finds the exact variant from your product data. Confirm by clicking Add to Cart. And it's in your cart. And there's the cart. Here's how you build it. Create your agent. Head to the YourGPT dashboard and create a new chatbot. Pick a theme you like and give your agent a name. There are more options below, but the defaults are all you need. So scroll down and hit Create AI Agent. Teach it your catalog. Now train it. Open training. Upload documents, FAQs, or plain text. But for a store, your own website is fastest. So hit crawl. Paste your store address and hit extract. And every page comes back. Product pages, collections, your contact page, even your shipping and privacy policies. All of it in one pass. Select the ones you want and add them to training. Now, your agent knows all about your store and business. Shape its persona. Next, decide who your agent is. Open Settings, then AI Agent. Every agent starts out generic. So ask the Copilot for one that actually fits your store. And it writes the whole thing, how it should sound, what it should recommend, what it should never do, and when to hand someone to your team. Pick whichever model you want. We'll take SoNet for now, and save. Let's make it multilingual. Shoppers won't all type in English. Back in Settings, open General, find Language, open it, and choose Auto Detect. That's the whole setup. It saves on its own. Now, a shopper can write in any language, and your agent answers in that same language. Arabic, German, Portuguese. One agent speaking all of them. Every shopper gets an answer. Make it match your brand. Now let's make it look like your store. Open Widget. Themes, layout, home screen, behavior, all on one page with a live preview. Open default questions and add the one every shopper asks, where is my order? Then size and position. Which corner it sits in, how big the button is, how far it sits off the edge. The preview follows every change. Hit save and that's your widget customized. Connect your Shopify store. Time to connect the store. Open integrations and search for Shopify. There it is, hit connect. You need to enter or paste your store URL in this field, and then click enable. Here's the script. Now in your Shopify admin, click online store, then edit theme. Then hit these three dots and edit code. Now here in the editor, open layout, then theme.liquid. Paste the script in just before the closing body tag, and save. Now open your store. And there is your agent, sitting in the corner on every page. Back in your GPT, open step 3, webhooks and synchronization. For everything you already sell, previous products sync lists the steps. Follow them once and your whole catalog is in. Then real-time products sync? Just follow these steps one by one. Copy and add this webhook in your Shopify admin. And here's what that means. Say the Rock Bass speaker just sold out. The moment stock hits 0, your agent knows. It simply stops offering it. Restock it and it's back. Automatically, your agent always knows what's in stock. From answers to add to cart. Back in widget settings, look at the very bottom. Open AI Copilot actions. These need agent mode, so turn that on first. Then switch on all 5 Shopify actions. Search products, display products, product details, add to cart, and view cart. Now your agent can take actions too while replying. Take it everywhere. These actions work on your website widget, but your customers are also on WhatsApp, Instagram, and Messenger. So here in Studio, open Templates and search for Shopify. And there it is, the AI agent for Shopify store. Hit Import. 3 ready-made flows, all selected. Hit Next. Then add your Shopify endpoint and token here. Check our documentation. It shows how to generate the Shopify token. Link is in the description. Hit Import, and everything lands on the canvas. Order status, returns, and product search, each one already wired to your store. Now hit Publish, and it's live on every channel you've connected. One agent everywhere. That's the build. Your store now answers from live stock, tracks every order, speaks every language, and guides shoppers all the way to checkout on every channel. Set it up once, and from then on, every customer's queries are handled